Hello friends, welcome back to our solution. In this video today I have talked to you. I am going to show you how to enable SAP HANA database auto start. When your Linux server is restarted either manually automatically or due to an unexpected shutdown or restart. This is very useful in production or test environment where you don't want to manually start the HANA database every time the server goes down and come back. First all of you need to log in Hana with the Hana Studio and Putty on your Windows server. Now going on laptop screen, first all of log in Hana Studio and I have already taken backup and delete folder. Next, finish. Okay. Now go on Linux server on Putty. Go on this location and check Hana database service is running or not. This is the first all of login here. User NDB ADM and check, go on sys directory profile, need to take backup of this file. Now edit this file bim ndb hdb 00. Now check this auto start 0. Now you can enable auto start, press 1 and save this file. After saving this file, need to take full instance backup again. This is the tenant database backup. Backup has been done. Now check Systemctl. Right click, delete older. Now NDB, click on first backup. Right click on first backup, delete older backup. Catalog and backup location select. This has been removed from old backup from catalog. Now we have to check in here. NDB also login. It's showing here. HANA database service is working here. Now we can check also HDB info, all 6 service 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 service showing here. HDB index server and top HDB service. HDB stop. Once HANA database service will be stopped, after that I have to restart Linux server. After that we can check HANA database service will be auto start or not. It will take few time, so just wait please. I have restarted the Linux server. Now log in again from root user. Also you have do these changes. Auto start 1 from using the NDB ADM user to NDB ADM user to hyphen to space hyphen to NDB ADM user. HDB service automatic has been started. Now our changes has been done successfully. One service will be restarted done. After that you need to take the HANA database backup again. NDB backup has been done. Right click and delete older backup, catalog and backup location. Finish. Okay. If any of the server after restart HDB service, if not started after the service backed up, then you need to do these changes. After that HANA database server will be automatic restarted. Thank you for watching. Related to this type of video, you need to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon for latest video updates.